Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to model MODFLOW packages one by one separately. For this session, we will see and treat only the drain package modeling. First, we have to open our model. Previously, we have worked it. Go to File, Open Model. Here is our project. Previously, we have worked it, and then Open. Under Models menu, just go to MODFLOW, Flow package, and then drain. This is our interest. So just click the drain package. Yeah, here is a nice study area. To model the drain package, we can use three different methods, either cell by cell input method or polygon input method, or either using polyline input method. You guys, I will show you each methods separately. Please follow me. Or cell by cell input method, just I will click on this icon and then just left click on this area and then right click. It says drain package dialog box. So from this dialog box, we do have drain hydraulic conductance and elevation of the drain. If we assume our hydraulic conductance to be 5 meters per die and elevation of the drain 3000, we can just hit OK. Okay, then we want to duplicate this cell for the drain package. So we have to go to cell by cell duplication icon, then click this icon one time and then back to our cell and duplicate like this. Yeah. The second method is the switch to polygon input method to assign parameters to the model cells. So just click this icon and then we can develop our drain package. Click and then click. Finally, we have to double click to switch the polygon. Then right click on this region and then we do have drain hydraulic conductance. Previously we have input 5 value and elevation of the drain 3000. The only thing is in the cell by cell input method we have just duplicate the cell value to each cell. In this method we have to just transpose these values individually. Just transpose for the drain hydraulic conductance and also the elevation of the drain. Yeah, then finally hit OK. Yes, processing. Yeah, after finishing we can delete this boundary. Here is the second polygon input method of modeling the drain package. The third one is the polyline input method. Just click this method and then we can assign the parameters to the vertices of the polyline along the trace of the drain system. Just click and then click. Finally can just double click and then right click. It shows the drain parameters dialog box. Under the layer option, we do have two options: the assign layer number automatically or assign number manually. Automatically and manually. In manual case, the value of the, if we assume or apply the layer number manually, the value of the layer number defines the module layer number for all module cells downstream from the vertex until the next vertex redefines the layer number. Whereas in case of the layer option number manually, automatically, the drain is associated to or assigned to a layer where the drain elevation is located between the top and bottom of the last layer. So the line number is set to 1 if the drain elevation is higher than the top of the first layer, or if the layer number is set to the last layer if we have the drain elevation lower than the bottom of the last layer. So you guys, you can prefer your interest and then you can okay. Here are the 3 methods, but for this tutorial I prefer the cell by cell input method, and then I just leave it there and I don't want to save it. Back to models, mode flow package, and then drain. I just input my model and develop it using cell by cell input method. Just click this one and then left click and then right click. I do have drain hydraulic conductance 5, elevation of the drain 3000, and then okay. I have to then duplicate this using cell by cell duplication, and then I can draw like this. So I'm just finishing by inputting this method and then I can save it. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share our channel. In the next time we will see other model packages.